Once upon a time, there were some ponies who ate non-stop, and the ponies were very hungry. Here on the farm, the three ponies would get together and enjoy their food here at the Tullaret campsite. But then the white pony was picking up some food from the ground. How hungry we are! We are hungry ponies. The other ponies replied to the white pony. Hey, are you as hungry as we are?
Eh?
We want to eat too. But then the middle black pony went to talk to the white pony and said, "Oh, this smells like earth." Yes, it smells like earth. Exclaimed the white horse. The white horse was so thirsty and so hot, and that's why he decided to drink some water.
Loibe?
So the white horse added, "This water is so good. This way I can stay hydrated." Well, photo. So after drinking the water, the white horse hydrated himself.